Good morning, dear students. So yesterday I explained you about the articles a and an, which was indefinite article. Today I am going to explain you definite article, that is the. What is an article? I have already told you that article is a word which is used with a noun and it gives information about that particular noun. Now there are three articles in English language as I told you yesterday: a, and, the. Now kinds of articles. Yesterday I explained you about a and an. A and and are indefinite articles and definite article is the. So you can remember this, that there is one article in definite article, that is the, and indefinite article includes two articles, that is a and an. Now what are definite articles? The. When is the used? The is used to refer to someone or something that is unique or one of its kind: the sun, the sky, the solar system, the earth, etc. So here we learn about a and an. Yesterday I told you about different uses of a and an, that where you can use a and an. I hope that you have understood that. And today I will tell you about the. The is always used before those things which are unique and there is nothing else like that. For example, the pen stand, uh, the solar system is only one, the sky, the sun. If only one thing is kept, or if you are able to see only one thing, only one of its kind, then you will say, then you will put the before that. So let's learn more about the. Mary, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. Joe, was the CD player expensive? Now here, what you can see is that when we used um, A in the first sentence, why we use A here? Because CD player is one CD player. So we are using it, and the first time when we are talking about a CD player, we are using a. And when we are talking about the same thing second time, then we will use the always. Always remember this rule. We usually use a and with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. For example, a girl lives there. The girl is very pretty. So in the first sentence, when I am talking about a girl, I am using a girl lives there, means one girl lives there. And when I am in the second sentence, when I am talking about the girl, I am using the. The girl is very pretty. I will not say a girl is very pretty. I have already told that I am talking about one girl. A means one. But second time I am talking about that one particular girl. Right? Now here is an example. A CD player. We usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. Now we usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. The CD player, the one that Mary bought. So the CD player, the one that Mary bought. Okay. So now I am talking about the CD player. First time I used a CD player, and second time the is used, the one that Mary bought. However, there are some special uses of a and the. Frequency. I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. Speeds. You are driving at 90 miles an hour. This I already told you that before hour and will be put and will be used. Prices. It costs a liter. Rupee to a liter or dollar to a liter. We use a and with prices, frequency and speeds. So always remember this, children, that whenever we talk about prices, whenever we talk about frequency, or whenever we talk about speeds, we will, according to different rules, we will use a or an before them. We use a and before 100,000 and million. Now before 100,000 and million also we use a or an. 100 people, 1,000 days, a million years. We use a or an for talking about jobs. For example, I am a bank manager. I am a teacher. Okay. We use the when there is only one of something. When there is only one of something, for example, a guitar is kept on my table. So what will I say? That I play the guitar. Jane plays the violin. May I turn on the TV? There are not many TVs. I am talking about only one TV. So then I will use the singular noun. I am using it with singular noun. We use the with musical instruments. Okay, so we also use the with all the musical instruments. The violin, the guitar, the sitar, the piano, the drum. When to use the? Now part of the world, the Middle East, South, deserts and forests, the Sahara Desert. Why I am using the before Sahara Desert? Because Sahara Desert is only one in the world. There is no other Sahara Desert. So I am using the before that. The Mandai Forest. I am using the to tell the importance of Sahara Desert, that it is only one. When to use the again? Names of rivers, oceans and seas. Before all the name of rivers and oceans and seas, we always use the. The Gomti River, the Ganga River, the Yamuna River, the Red Sea, the equator. Okay? When we speak of something or someone for the first time, I told you about the girl, we use a or an. The next time we repeat that object, we use the definite article the. So here you can relate with my example of a girl which I gave you. A girl lives there. In the second sentence, what am I supposed to say? The girl is very pretty. I live in a house. Now see, in the first example, I live in a house. I live in one house, a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. So now in the second sentence about the same word, about the same noun, I am using the before house. I am not using a because I have already told that there is one house. Now I will use the. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. I ate in a Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. No article. Now there are also few words where we do not use any article, neither a or an nor the. So what are these? Do not use an article with countries, states, or provinces, lakes and mountains, except when the country is a collection of states, such as the United States. The India. We never say the India, we always say India. He lives in Washington near Mount Rainier. We never say he lives in the Washington. We do not normally use an article with plurals and uncountable nouns. Normally we do not use articles with plurals or uncountable nouns, nouns which we cannot count, to talk about things in general. He writes books. She likes sweets. So sweets is a plural noun. There are so many sweets. So we are not using she likes a sweet, she likes an sweets, or she likes the sweets. She likes sweets. Do you like jazz music? Or I like pizza. I am not saying I like a pizza or I like the pizza. Right? She ate bread with butter in the morning. Okay? So I hope that you have understood this now, and you will be able to use proper English or proper articles whenever you are speaking it. Please go through this video properly, try to understand it, and please apply it in your daily life also.